This is how you can download the file or the audio that was created in the text-to-speech tool in ElevenLabs. So in the desktop version, there are many ways to actually save the audio to your computer. Let me just create this page first.
Oh, hi there.
All right, that's pretty good. Now there are many ways to download this file. I could click on this download button, which corresponds to whatever the latest file that I just created. Or I could also just click this download button, which I highly recommend because it corresponds to the file, which is this file that is now being played. Now I'm going to click this button, and it should download the file as an MP3 file to my computer. Now, what if you want to download a file that was created, let's say yesterday or a week ago? Well, you can navigate to history, and you're going to select the file that you want to download. And here, you can actually click the download button right here, or you can also just play the audio first, just to make sure that you are downloading the correct file. Let's try this one.
Hurried hello, Clara, came the voice she'd been both dreading and longing to hear. And when she finally raised her eyes to meet his, she realized that some stories never truly end.
Again, you can click this download button, which will download this file. Or you can also just click this download button that appears in the history. And what's unique about this button is that you can select the format that you prefer. There is MP3 and there is the WAV. So if you prefer that format, you can use this method to download that particular extension. Now, how about the mobile app version of ElevenLabs? Well, let me show you how you can do that. Here, I'm going to open the ElevenLabs app on my phone. And I'm going to navigate to history. And I'll select, let's say, this one.
Oh, hi there.
So to download the file, you actually have to click this button. It actually doesn't look like a download button. It's more like an upload button, but that's actually how you can download the file to your phone. And then click Save Audio Clip. And you can select the location and then just click Save. And let's say if I navigate, let me just close this. Let me just, sorry about that. Yeah, okay, let me just go to the home page, and if I navigate to the files menu and then go to downloads, and there you go. That was the file that I just downloaded via ElevenLabs on my mobile phone. So that's just several options to download the audio to your device from ElevenLabs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.